Yes, how are you doing? My name is Teacher. Yeah, let's see. In this video, let us discuss this one, the so-called formulas of cycle in a simplified version, in a consistent way, in the way which you can understand simply and in the easiest way. There are Swahili version of this video. They're in the description below. So if you don't know English, the Swahili version is there for you. Hii video tunajifunza kuhusu habari ya hizi formula. They are there inside. So let's go ponder the following things here. So number one, we have this one. It is known as a cycle. This one is a semicircle. This one is a three-quarter sector. This one is a quarter sector. Now, the formulas are consistent. In order for us to understand things faster, we will consistently use the letter R to mean radius whenever we are talking about area. So every formula of area will have R. Look here, R. It doesn't mean that D is not necessarily useful. It's useful, but we just want to be consistent and to remember things easier. I know you know the relationship between R and D. If you don't know, write in comment there. I will help you. Things are very, very easy. Mathematics is the easiest subject. There to perimeter. I wrote perimeter, but the core thing here is circumference. Because circumference, anything of a curved, we don't call it perimeter, we call it circumference. So this is the circumference. In the place of perimeter or circumference, we will use letter D to mean diameter, and we will be consistent using D. Look here, D, and the D. Okay. Now let's go together. In area, we will use pi r square, pi r power 2. So in order for us to get a half of an area, it means it's the same formula, but to be divided by 2. That's why it is pi r squared divided by 2. Have you seen this one? Things are very, very simple. If you go down there, a three-quarter sector. If you come here in this three-quarter sector, you know it is the same formula, but it has been divided into three-quarter. So it is 3/4, three-quarter, multiply pi r square. The answer which we will get here will solve any problem of area of a three-quarter square. Then let's go here to a quarter sector. A quarter sector. This one, a quarter sector is 1/4. We know the meaning of quarter is 1/4. So it is 1/4 of pi r square, or 1/4 of our area. Things are very, very simple. Let's go forward and move to D. D means diameter. Now, diameter here, there is pi D. So whenever the diameter is just pi D. Whenever we want to find perimeter of a square of this round shape, or we call it cycle, we just use pi D. Now the problem comes when we are taking a half of this pi D. Remember, pi D was just like this. It means pi D was the whole thing was pi D. If we have a half, it means pi D. If I divide it by 2, it means I have divided by 2, just like this. I've divided this one by 2. I have only this arc here. So why do I add the D here? Because there is this one, which is diameter. So I have to add the D to know the distance of here. So the distance of arc, adding this D here. You see? That's why there is a D to be added. Yeah, if you don't understand, just leave comment there. I will explain to you in a simple manner, simple way you can understand. Now let's go here to three-quarter. Three-quarter of a sector. Now three-quarter of a sector is the same. We know it is three-quarter of pi D. So it means if three-quarter of pi D is only from here to here. Here to here. Three-quarter of pi D. What about this? This is R plus another R give us D. That's why it is three-quarter plus D. We got it from here. Excellent. Now we have here to a quarter of a cycle, which is, we call it a sector. a sector here, this a quarter sector, we are going to apply, this is r, also this one is r. So it is 1/4, which is only this one. From here to here is 1/4 of pi r. What if I add radius, again another radius, means 2 radius to be added, which gives us d. That's what it is, a quarter of pi d adding d. Where have I got d? R plus r is equal to d. So I take this arc, adding r, which is 2r, which is d. You see, things are very easy. Instead of cramming formulas, let us understand them. It will be easier. My name is Teacher Nyalusi. Don't forget to subscribe. A lot of beautiful things are coming. Bye-bye. See you next video.